normally the chair uses its own discretions and allows either points of order, which in most cases are not point of order, to be raised in the zero. The chair is also using its discretion for allowing members to raise motions and propose motions under Rule 267. But in every case you have found that these are not motions under 267, and therefore it's a practice which is being grossly abused, and it's being abused, and therefore the chair must also be guided by a principle that you can't have a 0 hour run only for the benefit of television cameras. That is something which is happening today.
No.
And kindly take what has Mr. Anand
That
Sharma
is why
today.
no.
Please, the whole speech has to be expunged. The whole speech has to be
I have
expunged.
not allowed that. I have not.
For the reason, there is a rule which even the chair is bound by, that you do not refer to high constitutional authorities and what they have said in a debate in the House. And that is the purpose of what he is saying.
No, he cannot. I agree with you.
What is the point?
I agree with you.
What is the point in dragging? What is the point? Mr. Anand Sharma, what is the purpose in dragging? We know the spirit of what you are saying. We know the spirit of what you are saying.
No.
Can we?
In any case, sit down. No, please. Anand Sharma ji. Sit down. No, sit down. No, you can see. You cannot refer to. Now you agree. No. I am not allowing that. Anand Sharma ji, I have not allowed you. I am not allowing Anand Sharma ji. Sit down. No, sit down. No, please. Please sit down. No, see. No, see. I agree. I'll tell you. No, I agree with Honorable Leader of the House. I agree with the Honorable Leader of the House that many of the issues, let me complete. Many of the issues referred here are 267 are not relevant. That is why I am not allowing them. I have not allowed any 267 discussion till now. I have heard and all the 267 has been rejected. I have not accepted because subjects are not relevant according to me also. But for the chair to decide to accept or not, chair has to listen to them. That is the point. That is all the point. Now listen. Now number one. Number two. Now Anand Sharma, if he has, I have to go through the record. If he has referred to any high constitutional authority, the whole thing will be expunged. You cannot do that. You cannot do that.
Sir,
yes. Now please.
Sir, Anand Sharma ji ने किसी भी highest या हाई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटी का
डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली
सदन में नहीं लिया,
डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली,
लेकिन गांधी जी का अपमान, इस गांधी जी का अपमान बराबर ये सरकार करती जा रही है।
No, I am not allowing.
नेहरू जी का अपमान ये
कैसे बोल सकते हैं
बराबर करती रही है। ऐसे लोगों की सेंटेनरी मनाई जा रही है जिनका भारत के स्वतंत्रता संग्राम से कोई लेना देना नहीं था, और जो देश की स्वतंत्रता के
आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? कहाँ अपमान हो गया?
जेलों में सड़े उनको
बुला नबी जी,
सरकार में
कहाँ अपमान हो गया? 0 ओवर लेना है,
और आपत्ति है।
स्वाति मालिक 0 ओवर,
इंदिरा गांधी,
स्वाति मालिक
महात्मा
0 ओवर,
ये
स्वाति मालिक 0 ओवर,
पिक एंड चूज करके राजनीति कर रहे हैं।